Hey guys, it's Patrick here, PCTV, doing a little cruise around here at the Chino cord feed run, and I'm in my bug, and I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a taste of an in-car here, see what you think. People giving the thumbs up on the bug, digging it, and we're just gonna roll around a little bit here. Checking out the semis. I'm locked down, so we're just doing this a fixed shot. Nice livestock hauler over here on the left-hand side. Look at this row of Peterbilts, man. Just one after another, after another, after another. Looks like they're all from the same company, too. Certified Clean Idle. Viramontes Express. Truck Row. Looks like it's sponsored by Viramontes Express. All kinds of great stuff here. And yeah, just thought I'd take the bug out for a roll. And it's really kind of a nice day down here, actually. It's probably about 80. And you know, nice breeze, a lot of really cool people. So yeah, let's just keep rolling around. We got a whole stack of cars. Everything from Fairlanes to Impalas to Crown Vics to C10s, well that's a truck, to Mustangs, to even a dancing bed, or at least a lifting bed Mazda. I don't think it's a dancing bed. Oh, the Sanford and Son truck's out for a roll. I got the yellow Cyclone behind me. That's always cool. Wow, I just realized it's almost my last shot of the cruise. Cruising ends at 1 o'clock. So I gotta get at least one cruise in. Yeah, to get past the music. Check out the Radio Flyer Wagon, Chevy C20. Ah, we got a 3rd gen Camaro right here, and a 2nd gen, and a nice little. Oh, it's a roadster with a manufactured hardtop on it. There's a 72 Monty to my left here, but you can't see it. Sorry about that. There we go, nice stock bug. So yeah, I'm kind of looking for the VW Corral right now. I think I'm going to stop over there and give it a good walk around. Thought I saw it. Wow, I got crowded here all of a sudden. But then again, I didn't drive any of this before. I was riding in the back. But yeah, man, this is it. This is corn feed cruise. Of course, I had to catch the air-cooled section here. Got a 6.4 right here. That's pretty obvious. It's got the bigger tail lights on it, and of course it's also got a 64 license plate on it. It's got full pop-out safaris. This is the VW land right here, baby. This is the spot to be. Beautiful cabriolet. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this oval over here. Just an absolute sweetheart. Beautiful. You guys don't even be riding bikes around here. Gorgeous VW. All right, GFK's in the house. Beautiful square. Just the level of Volkswagens here is just out of control here, man. See how the music does. Volkswagens are fantastic, but you can't beat a beautiful Mercury. Black plate car. 1954. Stock roof. It's so weird to see one with a stock roof on it. It's got his bongos in the back. It's a Monterey. A whole lot different than the Monterey that comes out to Surf City Classics every Wednesday. Take a look around here real quick. A lot of music going on around here. Too bad to say. Makes for a problem, but look at this Ford here. Cuban 54, man. Nice cabrio. This looks like a 66 or something right next to it. Excuse me, sir.
Good. Working, yeah. 20 years.
Beautiful here. Nice go.
20 years. I've been there.
Ooh, man, look at that. Granddaddy pick at the Grand National Roadster Show. It is a 67. Full custom interior. Really beautiful. Man, this thing's just amazing. I like the blue. I like the... I'm not sure if you call it a champagne or a gold. I'm not 100% sure. Overall, gorgeous. We've got a 68 Impala next to it. It's like a 36 Ford truck over here. Look at this Ford, nice. Actually, I'm wrong. It's a 1950. I am way off. I don't know my Ford pickups that well. Very nice. Oh, look at that. First Greenbrier I've seen here all day. A little Corvair action. And life's not complete without a 70 Chevelle, or at least a 70 El Camino in your life. Gotta have a 70 El Camino. It's a Chevelle, kind of. But it's more of a party in the front and business in the back. And right here, 396. 68 Impala. Oh my God, this thing is just beautiful. Hedman headers, obviously they're representing. American Racing, full chrome polished torque press 2s. Beautiful stagger on this thing. The stance is just amazing. It's just great. All right, well, let's keep cruising. I'm gonna get back in my car and we're gonna head on around, but I just want to take a stop here at this parking lot. There's a lot of great stuff here. Let's walk over here. Again, I'm trying to do everything I can to stay away from the music. Licensing is a pain. All right, Mustang, right next to it, Ranchero. Ranchero right next to it. 67. Getting better with them. Very nice vert. And right next to it, we got a 57. Original Ranchero. This is an original paint car here, it looks like. Interior's not original. And it's been rhino lined. Yeah, it looks like an original paint car to me. Right next to it. What is this? Not Hudson, is it? Is it a Hudson? It's a Chevy Fleetline Deluxe, okay. Huh. Oh yeah. Just weird, coming on from a different angle. And it's got, I forgot what these are called. They're American Racing, but I can't remember the name of the wheel. It's been so long. Look at this convertible here, man. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Collars match the cuffs. Gotta love a 63. The Impala is such a classic. Just amazing. Look at that thing. All right, so off we go. So this is just an idea of what you can see here at the corn feed run today. Thank you, bud. Appreciate it. People are so considerate here when you're shooting. Look at that. He's got his turbo cooling. A scratch on this truck is just beautiful. What a visor. That is a hell of a visor there. Look at this. We got a Super. How rare is this? This is a Buick 8 Super. Might be a 47. Again, not 100% sure. It's a 49. So yeah, it's a 49. Check out this Super, man. Let's get around the other side here because, you know, that's where everything happens. Oh, beautiful 65 Rivy right across the way. 59 Volkswagen right there. Let's get here, look at this straight 8. Fireball. Man, that is a lot of motor there. Very clean overall. Oh, here's that little Deuce that was following us when we were doing our Facebook Live. This is the Deuce that was tracking behind me when I was on hanging off the back of the Alley Cat earlier. Oh, look at this, blue interior. White with blue interior and matching pinstripe. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right. So back on the road we go. Way back to my car. I might as well take a quick look at this 71 Gia here. He's got his Moon Eyes air freshener. West Coast Metric. Wow, that's a name I haven't heard in a long time. Nice stock, but he's got that new ignition setup that Bailey got. I forgot who made it, but yeah, pretty cool. All right, so here we go. Back to my car. This place is just packed. Every inch of this place is just full. Just crazy. Look at the old school chopper there, man. Full rigid. Got a slab side right next to it. Harley with the frickin' fish pipes, fish tails, whatever you call these. Look at this, man. This thing's gorgeous. Nice red bug. And there you go. So back we cruise. Okay, we're back in the car. Cruising around. Whew. Take my hat off for a second. It is hot. It's normally not cooler in here than outside, but right now it's definitely the place to be. There's Alley Cat's boy in front of me. He wouldn't even let me in. I couldn't believe it. So we're cruising around the route here. Like that. That's that 65 that I was liking. I just like patina. That's what I shot in a roll-in this morning. And Chino is what it is. I mean, these houses here and stuff are just, they've got a kind of a funk to them that I really like. I don't know, it doesn't suck. You know, I used to not like it, but I like the funkiness of the town and everything else.
I have no idea.
Oh, they let him in. Oh, that's nice. There you go, drag him. Yeah. Houses are pretty low down dirty. So yeah, we're just doing the cruise route. And it's pretty cool out. Okay. I think we're gonna make the left turn here. I guess the Impalas decided to do the same thing. There's that beautiful Cadillac. Oh, we got a 66 Suicide right there. I like his license plate. There we go. 1972. Chevelle. Looking like a 56 Effie right there. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, another nice Chevy, red. A lot of cars here, you guys. Just crazy. Just going and going and going. But yeah, for me, it's easier because of the fact that music is everywhere, and when I'm inside the car, I'm not exposed to the licensed music that is just a curse on YouTube. There's that lowrider. Regal, I believe. That thing's pretty dope. Look at all the caddies, 68, 64, looking like a 65. I'm thinking maybe a 59, yep. A lot of caddies. Now we got our rows of Impalas, 64, 58. I believe that's a 63, there's a 62. Another 65, I believe that's a 67, guarantee. Nice cruise route, 914, gotta love that. Hey, there we go, square body. Coming in the line here. That's always cool. And then later on we'll take our spot on the center divider and watch everybody go by. But man, look at all this. We got the Dukes here. That's the bomb. Saw the Tribes in the house here, Tribe Club, not too long ago. Ronnie Medina's Suburbans here. Nice 64 Ribby there, no hood. That's interesting. And yeah, beautiful stuff here. Wow, look at that. Gangsta. Yeah, he did seal coat on his. I'm thinking I might do the same thing. Still 98 right here. 30, I always forget with the bar across it. That's a 30 or 31 or 32. Not sure on that one. Now we're doing our turnaround here. Ooh, a Golden Hawk. Look at that. What's this guy doing? Alright, we got a Golden Hawk right here. Those are really rare. And we got an E. Oh no, it's not an E-Knocker. It's custom though. Maybe a 65. Fully skied Impala. 63. Another Impala. Some clean cars here today. That's a 62. And the other one was a 62 too. I don't know what I'm thinking. Another 62. Nice little Nova or Chevy 2 convertible. Wow, it's a Nova SS convertible. Wow, maybe 64. Another 64 Impala. Nice square body here. Looking early. 73. Oh, it's the Grinch. It's a great truck. Yeah, we just be cruising slow. Lots more to see. Nice C28. 69. Gen 1 Camaro. Oh, it's cool to see. Yeah, it's slow rolling. It's the last half hour cruising. So cruise continues. A lot of people here. I'm cruising now. I want to give myself a little space here, so I slowed down a little bit. Nice wagon. Yeah, a lot of great cars here. So, yep, this is the cruise. Corn feed run, but yeah, people walk right down the middle of the cruise route. A little clueless, but it's closing down here in about a half an hour, so this is basically the last run for us. You know, I don't think this side is a cruising side. I believe that's what it is. That's the walkway. But people don't get that. Sweet. We just keep on rolling. Hey, look at that red bug, but he's got a slider rag. I'm jealous. And he's got the wide pattern, which I really like. Thanks, brother. That's always nice. I appreciate compliments. Ooh, somebody's got chitorones. There's that 6.5 again. We got behind him. Nice. Look at that Chevelle, man. That's a dumped. I mean, that sucker's on the ground. For a Chevelle. Wow. Crazy, crazy. Some of these bikes here are just amazing. I'm actually wanting to get back to our spot. I'm so used to driving automatic, you don't realize what it is to drive a stick. Sweet. As we drive, we drive. Big military display over there is pretty crazy. Oh, that guy found a cable. Couple nice bugs over here. These are the bugs that the guys were telling me about, but the music's such a problem for me. We have to work around it as best we can. So, yeah, all you can do is just cruise by it as quick as you can. Coming back to our spot right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get parked and shut her down, and there you go. Oh, a little farther away than I thought. No, that's us. Hope I still got a spot. Let's see, maybe I still have a spot, maybe I don't. Okay. I still have a spot.